Hey guys, we are often asked, how do I print my tags if I don't have a printer? Good question, right? So the first thing you want to do is just log into your tagging account, and you will go to your profile, click on the tagging icon, come to your account, and you'll see all the tags that you have entered in your account. You can decide which tags you wish to print by either checking individual boxes, selecting all the tags in your account, or selecting all that are on one page. So we're going to select all, and you can see there's a check mark now to the left of each item. I'm going to go up here to print tags, and there are two options. You can either print as a PDF or an HTML. So we're going to select the PDF option. This will show me what my tags should look like once they're downloaded. So here are all my tags. I am using Chrome, and I get this little arrow right here that says download. So I'm going to click that download button. And now it is giving me the option to save these tags to my desktop. So I'm just going to give them a name, call them tags, as a PDF, hit save. And then the next time I log into my desktop, my tags will be there. You can send those to Staples, Office Max, or Kinko's to have them printed, or save them to a thumb drive and have them printed on any computer that you have access to. Hope that's helpful.